watching. This morning, been called by the Missouri State Highway Patrol for a single vehicle crash, southbound Interstate 55, right here near the 82. I did not film the travel down. I don't know what kind of situation this is going to be. Thankfully, we have Sheriff, Highway Patrol, and let's see, looks like NBC blocking. There's Terry. Got city blocking. So we've got a lot of coverage. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Looks like I need to come from the other side, doesn't it? Is into the barrier cables, so I have to work it from the opposite side. It looks like it was coming north and hit the cables this way, and the cables kept it from coming into the southbound lane of traffic. Walk the median. I know that it's been dry for a long time, so I may be able to just drive out in the median, back up to the vehicle, and load it that way. But I'll walk it first just to make sure. That's good and solid. No, sir. I was walking this. I think I can drive out in it, back right up to it, without having to block any traffic at all.
Okay, I'll stick around just in case it is.
Okay, thank you, sir. Am I good to go?
Yeah, you're good.
Okay, all right. Got it trapped in there pretty good, but meeting too often.
Way too often. I'm supposed to be on a jet right now.
On a jet?
Yeah, I was going up to TFP in Indiana to tour their plant. But
I'll give you our card. We'll take it there for now. Give me just a second. Here, I got the card in my wallet. There you go, sir.
Thank you.
Everybody all right? Everybody okay? Good deal. Hey gentlemen, watch out, I'm gonna pull this out. Okay. Thank you. Here, I'll just throw it up here on the front, if you would please, and then I'll... differently there. All right. Good to go? All right. Yes, sir. All right, I gave you a business card, right?
What's that?
I gave you a business card.
Yep.
Good to go. All right.
We'll just, I guess, follow you.
Sure. That's fine. No problem. See you guys. They wanted to get moving on the other side, get clear of the traffic. I'll get up here to a safe location and we will finish tying the back down, or tying the back, which is now the front. We'll finish securing it. Grateful to everybody that assisted. Missouri State Highway Patrol, Scott County Sheriff's Department, NBC Fire, Scott City Fire. Anyway, I'm gonna find a safe spot over here. Well clear the accident scene so that all these officers and firemen can get moving. As always, thank you for watching. God bless.